Welcome to Pip Insight. Friday the 10th of July, London pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 1 showing bullish structure and 6 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's London pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, Kiwi dollar. Pairs showing bearish structure, gold dollar, pound dollar, dollar yen, dollar Swiss, dollar Canada, pound yen. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you came specifically for the gold breakdown, you're in the right place, because this one deserves a close look heading into London. Gold closed the Asian session at $4,110, and the structure right now is clearly bearish across the 4-hour, 1-hour, and 15-minute timeframes. Throughout the Asian session, price carved out a clean staircase of lower highs and lower lows from around $4,130 all the way down to $4,110, with sellers remaining in control right through the close. What makes this particularly significant is that gold has slipped back beneath the 4-hour EMA-20 and EMA-50, which are now converging around $4,117, flipping that entire $4,117 to $4,130 zone from former support into active resistance. The RSI sitting just above 45 on the 4-hour confirms momentum is subdued and leaning bearish without being stretched. On the fundamental side, today's only meaningful US release is the Fed Monetary Policy Report at 11 o'clock. It's rated low impact, but any language reinforcing a higher for longer rate narrative could strengthen the dollar and weigh further on gold, while any dovish undertones could inject a short-term bid. So heading into the session, the levels to watch are clear: $4,117 to $4,130 as the resistance band above, and $4,108 followed by $4,095 as the key support levels to monitor below. Pound dollar. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.3445 and 1.347. Support is marked between 1.3395 and 1.3411. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 161.75 and 162.2. Support is marked between 161.1 and 161.4. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.8065 and 0.8088. Support is marked between 0.803 and 0.805. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.579 and 0.5798. Support is marked between 0.5755 and 0.5765. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside. Resistance is marked between 1.417 and 1.421. Support is marked between 1.412 and 1.4145. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound yen. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 217.08 and 217.82. Support is marked between 216.255 and 216.7. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the London pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.